This is Ramesh Arozla from AR Academy GDK. Today, 9th class subject physical science or physics or science state CBSE ICSE syllabus, and our lesson name is motion. From that, today we are going to learn equations of motion. What we are going to learn, children? Equations of motion. In earlier classes, we have studied about V equal to U plus AT. The relation between, if you assume a body is traveling with uniform acceleration A and with initial velocity U, and after traveling s distance with uniform acceleration E, after t time it achieved final velocity V. Relation between these terms U, V, S, A, T gives three equations of motion. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. From this, yesterday we completed V is equal to U plus AT. Today we are going to learn S equal to UT plus half AT square, children. Please look at the board and write in your notes. Okay? And this derivation, first derivation S is equal to UT plus half AT square, derivations, two types of derivations there. One is graphical method, another one is normal method. And today we will complete related one problem also. Graphical method of derivation, you see this is first method, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Graphical method of derivation, if you see, children, you see this graph, this is velocity time graph. In this velocity time graph, you observe this is initial velocity of the body, this is final velocity of the body. OA is initial velocity, OC is final velocity. Time taken, here time taken is t, this is time taken t, and this is traveling with uniform acceleration A. This is traveling with uniform acceleration A. This graph is called velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. From this velocity time graph, we have to find distance traveled S. Distance traveled S is called distance traveled S equal area of trapezium, OABD. You see, OABD. This is trapezium. Area of trapezium, if you find out, then distance traveled will come, children. Remember. So here, area of trapezium, if you observe clearly, it is the combination of area of rectangle OAED, area of OAED. This is OAED rectangle. Area of rectangle. This is rectangle, children. Rectangle OAED. And another one is there. Triangle. Area of triangle. Plus area of triangle. What is triangle here? AEB. Triangle AEB. So area of rectangle area, you know, rectangle area OA into OD plus area of triangle area, if you take half into AE into BE, AE into BE, half into AE into BE. So OA if you take, what is this here, children? U. OD if you take from here, that is T. OD is T. This is OD. OD is T. Plus half into AE. Where is AE? AE you compare like this. A is nothing but OD. A is nothing but OD also. A is nothing but OD. OD is nothing but T into BE. BE is nothing but, you compare like this, CA. Here CA is nothing but OC minus OA. Yesterday we studied V minus U. This is V minus U actually. Next time use of UT plus of into T. This is V minus U. V minus U. CA is nothing but V minus U. V minus U. Okay, V minus U according to first formula V equal to U plus AT. That is V minus U is nothing but AT, children. V minus U is nothing but AT. Here is substitute AT. So here distance S equal UT plus of T into AT. Means what? S equal UT plus of AT square. S equal to UT plus of AT square. This is graphical method of derivation, children. Next we will learn alternative method for derivation of S equal to UT plus of AT square. S equal to UT plus of AT square. S distance S equal average velocity into time. Average velocity is what, children? Initial velocity plus final velocity by 2 into T. Here initial velocity U, final velocity V by 2 into T, that is S. But we know V equal to U plus AT. This you substitute here. S equal to U plus AT by 2 into T. U plus U, 2U. 2U plus AT by 2 into T. Then S equal 2U by 2 plus AT by 2 into T. 2 cancel. That is S equal U. T you send inside. UT plus T send inside of AT square. Finally we got S equal UT plus of AT square. Here you see, children, this derivation is graphical method of derivation. This derivation is normal method of derivation. And in equations of motion, second equation graphically we derived. How we derived? Using distance formula. Distance is nothing but area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is nothing but area of OAED rectangle plus area of triangle. Area of triangle. That is S equal OA into OD plus of AE plus BE. And then we substituted OA, OD values and AE, BE values. And finally we got S equal to UT plus of AT square. Second method also, in second method what? We use this formula. Distance S equal average velocity into time we have taken. Now we will do one problem related to it. Okay, please look at the board. A car is initially at rest, means U equal to 0 and travels a distance 100 meters. It traveled 100 meters. Okay, and 5 seconds and calculate acceleration and final velocity. In 5 seconds means T is equal to 5 seconds given. So here we have one formula, S equal UT plus of AT square. In this we substitute the values. U 0 into time 5 plus of A. We have to find out A into T square. T square means 5 square. That is 5 into 0, 0. Plus 5 square 25. 25 by 2 into A. 25 by 2 into A equal to S. S already here given 100. 100 equal to 25 by 2 into A. 25 by 2 bring this side. 100 into 2 by 25 is equal to A. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Therefore, A equal to acceleration 4 twos are 8 meter per second square. But he asked to find out final velocity. You know the final velocity formula, v equal to u plus at. V is called u plus at formula you have to use to find the final velocity. So substitute here, v equal final velocity is called u how much we got? 0 only given. A how much we got? 8. Time how much given? 5. So v equal to 8 5 is 40 meter per second. Final velocity we got. He asked to find out acceleration. How much we got acceleration? 8 meter per second square. Final velocity asked to find. How much we got? V equal to 40 meter per second. Like this, children, today as a part of second lesson motion, equations of motion, second equation of motion, that is s equal to ut plus half a square. We derived that in graphical method as well as in normal method, and one related problem also we completed successfully. Read the subject at home and practice. Watch my videos continuously to understand, and please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.